Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We have some high dusting. We are using our Anger cobweb. So the key is to extend the pole. This is an aluminum pole. The brand is Anger. And we are gonna removing all the cobwebs that is in the corners, especially that one. Let me see. You can already see that. Good. It's in the corner. Good. This is the second floor. And we also have to vacuum. I don't want to brush it. I would like to vacuum this double ceiling. You can see the difference. Everything is really dusty. And we are going to use another extension. So Juan Carlos is just finished taking out all the cobwebs. There we go. The rest we're gonna vacuum. Okay. Now he's gonna use this extension. Let me pause. I cannot pause it. Let me put the electrical cord. Okay. He needs more extension, so he's gonna pull until the red line. Good. Yeah. Good.